If you are not happy right now with your career, your income, and the prospect of your future, maybe what you do for a living, maybe you've never really loved it. What are you doing about it? What are you doing about that lifestyle that you may want to change? I want to ask you a question right now. Is it because you just don't know what your options are? You wouldn't be alone. I felt the same way. I'm Landria, Onkka, best-selling, award-winning author. I have a television movie, and that's thanks to the fact that I found a solution to get out of that 25-year investment banking career that I didn't love, and I went after my dreams. 6 years ago, I got training online to create a business that allowed me to quit that position and go into what I believed in, helping other people, writing, and creating the kind of income that I wanted that didn't include chasing clients or working in an industry that I no longer resonated with. So many people feel the same way right now. We just don't know what our options are, but never before have we had the opportunities like we do to create the autonomy, the freedom, and to control our lives, control that happiness, and not rely on that world out there to dictate that for us. If you click somewhere here on the screen or below, you can get information, the same information that I did 6 years ago that allowed me to quit that investment banking career, write a best-selling, award-winning book, and many more, and live that life that I desire. It's possible for you. It doesn't matter what your age, your background, your education level. If you know nothing about technology, that was the case for me. And that's the purpose of the training, is to take anyone willing to dedicate the time and attention and make that decision to create that whole lifestyle that you desire, and work with the trainers, the mentors, your own consultant that helps you strategize on that business you want to create, and step-by-step modules, webinars, both recorded and live, and you have an amazing community of like-minded students going after their dreams that are going to cheer you on. It's an amazing environment, and it is an education system, not just chasing more income. We're talking about creating that lifestyle and controlling your destiny. You see, I work out of my home or anywhere in the world. I've traveled, I've done amazing things, and through all of these challenges we're going through, my businesses have flourished because I control that. And I feel good about what I do every day. Would you like to do the same thing? We can help you find that, no matter what your background, because we're in the 21st century now and the internet's not going away. It's getting bigger and more powerful, and you can use it for good to monetize your passions. No products and services are required. We'll show you how all of that works, but you have to click somewhere here on the screen or below to get the info. Make up your own mind, and if you don't like it, you just unsubscribe. Isn't it time to move past the limitations and do what we're told we should be doing to be responsible and pay our bills and start loving our lives? You can have both. Click somewhere here on the screen, come on over, check out the information. You'll receive everything you need to decide if this is something you want to pursue. Knowledge is empowering, and it's time for us to empower ourselves and to create that entire new world that awaits us. Don't wait for this opportunity to pass you up. Click somewhere here. I hope to see you on the other side. Thanks so much for listening, and please take care.